4AC is called the discriminant. So what if I wrote down the discriminants from the previous problems? Bless you. 196, 0, negative 16, and 112. How many? All right, 196. Is that it's a positive, and is it perfect square? Can I take the square root of it and get something nice? What do you think? I can, right? Square root of 14, or square root would give you 14. So it's a positive perfect square. So what type of answers are you going to get when it's a positive perfect square? I get two rational roots. I get two nice answers. So I got two nice answers. So I get two rational roots. All right, this is the Dylan problem. Dylan, when it was 0, how many answers did I get? We got one answer on yours, right? So it'd be one rational root. And that you could also go look at the chart here. 0, 1 rational root. Some of your homework questions are just going to ask for the discriminant. The discriminant is just the b squared minus 4ac. Negative 16, what did we get? What's that? So if it's a negative, if the discriminant's a negative, that means you're going to have two imaginary or two non-real roots. You're going to have two, you can call it imaginary roots or non-real roots. And if you get a positive number that's not a perfect square, then we get two irrational roots. Now, I'm going to write down the work for how we did this, but you don't have to do that. Okay, so that's your answers. Now, you don't have to write down this next part. We did the work on the previous page, but I'm going to write it down here because I'm going to scan this. But so remember, minus 33. A was 1, B was negative 8, C was negative 33, minus 4. So this equaled 196. And then this was A's negative 1, B's 34. We did this on the previous page. So 34 squared minus 4, negative 1, negative 289, which is 0. And then we subtracted 6x, A equals 1, B equals negative 6, C equals 13. So negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 13 is negative 16. And then, as I said, don't feel like you have to write this down because we already did this. But there will be some questions on the homework. You're not solving, you're just telling the discriminant. So you're just going to do this right here. And that's going to be 112. Okay, so that's how we got those values. We just did b squared minus 4ac.